Hello everyone, today I'm going to be simply teaching you how you can add a friend on WhatsApp. This is going to be a very simple and easy tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, go ahead and open your WhatsApp app. Finally, once you have done that, you want to tap on the search button on the top, as you can see. And in order to add someone, you gotta have their phone number, and once you search their phone number, you basically get their profile thing. Right now I don't have a phone number to add, but I already have a person who has messaged me with their phone number. So basically you can message people without even adding them, as you can see. And once you open the message, on the top right you can see there is a add button. You're gonna go ahead and tap on the add button on the number you searched for, and then you can basically create a new contact for the person on your mobile phone, and then basically save it, and they will be added to your WhatsApp as a friend. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you for watching.